Now, this may be the last action word of the week, but we are continuing because Master Azerbaijani word of today has davam etmek. Davam etmek. Davam etmek is naturally, what are we doing? To continue, to proceed, or to go on. Let's see those in some phrases. To continue the journey, to proceed as planned, to go on after a break. Let's see. Yola devam etmek. Yol is the road, the journey. Plan üzrə devam etmek. Plan, plan. As planned, plan üzrə, or according to the plan. Fasilədən sonra devam etmek. Fasilə is a break. Fasilədən after a break. Means fasilədən technically means from, but we have sonra here after the break here. Fasilədən sonra devam etmek. Let's see sentences. Kısa bir fasilədən sonra yola devam etmek qərarına gəldik. There's your fasilə. Now, after a short break, we decided to continue the journey. Time to break it apart. Kısa bir fasilədən sonra, kısa, short, fasilə is a break, bir means a, one. Fasilədən sonra, after the break, the break. Kısa bir fasilədən sonra, after a short break, yola devam etmek, continue the journey, qərarına gəldik, we decided, we came into a decision basically. Now, another one. Çətinliklərə baxmayaraq, plan üzrə devam etmek, verdiyimiz en doğru qərar oldu. Let's see. And then I will break it apart. Despite the difficulties, continuing according to the plan was the best decision we made. I know it's tough, but let's break it. Çətin is hard. Çətinlik is difficulty. Çətinliklər, difficulties. Çətinliklərə baxmayaraq. Baxmayaraq, despite, even though. Çətinliklərə baxmayaraq, despite the difficulties. Plan üzrə devam etmek. Continuing according to the plan or continuing as planned. Continuing with the plan. They all mean the same. Verdiyimiz en doğru qərar. The best decision we made. Oldu, was. En doğru, the best. Remember, en doğru means the right. En doğru, the best. The most right, basically. Qərar, decision. Verdiyimiz, the one we gave, basically, the one we made, the decision. Now, I know this was tough. I have an easy way of using devam etmek. Watch. Devam etmek and never giving up is the best advice you can give yourself. Keep going, folks. That was today's word, but next week we're starting brand new. Come back to see what those are and what topic we will be covering. Cheers.